Ekwueme Square in Awka was established to honor the late Alex Ekwueme, the Nigerian's first elected vice president. It serves as a civic center in Awka, hosting cultural events, political gatherings, and community activities. The square reflects the region's history and promotes social interactions and civic pride among residents. Today, I'm going to be giving you a full tour of the square and also the current update concerning the ongoing renovation of the square. This is my third time of visiting Alex Ekwueme Square in Awka, but I have not gotten the opportunity to give this kind of full tour. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you some of the places I have not been covering all this while that I've been visiting this Ekwueme Square. So this time around, I started this filming from the back, where you have the basketball courts and other things. So and I find out something, and that thing is very discouraging, and it needs immediate attention. So and the thing is, I found out that Alex Ekwueme actually have swimming pool, which I'm zooming right now from this angle. You can see it from here. I would have loved to access that route to go kind of film them, but what I saw at the entrance discouraged me, though I entered, but I could not capture anything. So I decided to head over to online to know if I could actually get more information about the swimming pool. And what I saw online on Daily Post was that a multi-million naira Anambra swimming pool covered with reptiles. And I can tell you guys, this time around, and from what I saw when I visited, is not just being covered with reptiles anymore, but has been taken over by bushes, and the location has been turned into toilets. People are now using that place as a restroom. So and it's very quite discouraging, honestly. These are some of the things we have been complaining and lamenting. It's not just to build infrastructure, but also can they be able to maintain it. When we talk about maintenance of infrastructure and other things, it's not just limited to Anambra State or to the southeast. It's just a kind of a general problem the whole Nigeria state are facing. So that is just it. So over this angle, you can see that this particular spot is being used for table tennis, and other activities, but currently I don't think if anything is going on here. The renovation has not gotten to this part. It has not gotten to this part. Where the renovation is currently happening now is that angle where you have the cenotaph and the rest of them. So nothing is currently going on over here or this arena, but this place honestly needs serious attention, and that swimming pool needs to be revived. They need to revive that swimming pool. I'm hoping maybe from this renovation something will be done about it. Let's just hope, and maybe something will be done, but for now I don't know, because the place is still covered with bushes, and people have turned it to a restroom, and they are still doing it up to the moment I visited. So right now we're gonna be heading inside the arena where the cenotaph is located, and the sitters are also located, leaving all these angles behind. So currently nothing is going on over there. So let's head over inside. From what we saw inside when we visited, I can tell you that from that angle, work is the renovation is speeding up a little bit. The last time we visited, I think they are doing some little maintenance over this angle, and this time around that I visited, I can see that they have completed the maybe the renovation over here, or the maintenance they are doing here, because I cannot find any worker on site doing anything over there. So I'm thinking maybe they are done with whatever they want to do here, remaining other finishing touches. So from the other side of it, where the newly sitter is being constructed, the thing is speeding up a little bit. Very soon that angle will be completed. I will show you the full video of everything, like you are watching it from this angle. I will also show you from the front view of it. And the last time I visited, I told you guys that the ground floor also need maintenance. And I also saw online where they talk or mention something about it, that the ground floor will also be retouched on the process of this renovation. So from this angle, I also headed to the where the cenotaph is, and get the view of that angle, which I will also be showing you everything in this video. So guys, continue watching the video until I get to the location where I have to explain things. Before that, please that particular swimming pool something should be done about it. Honestly, something should be done about it. It needs urgent attention. The renovation should not be completed without that place being retouched. That place should be retouched. They need to revive that particular sections. So continue watching the video until I get to where I need to give you guys another update. So from this view, you can see that the this newly seater that is being constructed is getting to its final stage. They have already finished one side of it, and the pillars for putting up the roof is going up high. Then the down side of it is still coming up little by little. So from this angle, I also be showing you the some of the equipment they have bring. So this is some of the equipment, and I think from what I saw, I think this equipment will be using for the roofing, for the roofing of that building. The equipment will be using for the roofing of the building. So that is what I saw, and the people a kind of constructing the the equipment are also there, repainting some of it. So from here, I'll be heading up to where the cenotaph is located. I think this is the entrance where the cenotaph is located. So we're gonna be heading up there because another renovation is also going up, going on inside it. They are retiling some section of it where the cenotaph is located. They are retiling it, something like that. They are retiling it. I will also be showing you in the video, so you see everything for yourself. So a lot of work is going on here, and very soon there will be a bigger changes, because the previous time we have been coming, this work has not been speeding up this way, but this period I can tell you that they have added more energy. And very soon you will see a bigger changes. But I will not conclude this video without mentioning about that swimming pool again. It needs to be revived. Honestly, it needs to be revived. So guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do subscribe to the channel. Let us know your own opinion via the comment section, and like I used to say, please no insult in my comment sections. If you do insult, I will remove your comment, and that is just it. So kindly subscribe, click on the like button, and don't forget to share the video. Thank you guys for watching. Till we meet again in my next video for another update. Thanks, bye, and have a lovely day.